Morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great Friday, the end of the working week. So with this tutorial, I'll explain you the activity that I'll need you to send me, what I'm going to grade with this, and how this platform works. So the activity is speaking activity, and I'll grade your speaking performance of this month. Here are the instructions in case you forget. So the instructions are actually over here. You need to send me a voice note or a video in which you tell us how English helps you in your life. You can tell us the anecdote, maybe when one day English saved your life or it helped your family, or how every day English helps you. Now, how are you gonna do it? You're getting a link. You need to enter this link, and when you get to the link, you need to click, here we go, on this symbol of plus. As it says here, start writing with your name. It's hard to sometimes understand by the voice. If it's a video, that would be easier for me to see who is the student. But if you're sending me a voice note, not always I can guess you by the voice, girls. Okay, so you make sure you write down your name. A complete name would also help a lot. I'm sorry. Okay, so here we go. And then this step is very important. You click on 3 dots. Do not click on the symbol of a picture. Sorry, on the symbol of a camera. So because this one will give you a message that you need to synchronize your laptop or your iPad with the website. Okay, so here you click and you have 3 options. There's 3 options. To upload a video, you can first record the video and save it in your gallery on your iPad, cell phone of your mom or your dad, or in a laptop. Then you can first practice your speech and then click on filming, and automatically it will appear that your camera needs to be on and your microphone. Probably for this last step, you'll need help of your mom or your dad to make sure that everything works perfectly. And the last step is for the voice. Well, not last step, sorry. The last option, just a voice note. In case you don't feel comfortable to make a video where we can see you, you can vote for choice of the voice. Okay, so the same, you click and it will appear that you need to use your microphone. As you can see here, the microphone is working because you can see the lines going up and down, the waves of the sound energy. So, and here are the instructions. So you can pause it whenever you want. You have 15 minutes. That's a lot. You only need to send 1 minute. You can reply to audio before you save it. And you have a beautiful voice. Okay. So thank you. And then you click on the microphone symbol. You start recording. When you finish recording, it automatically appears a note that you need to save it. And that's it. And it's done. That's how it works. Pretty simple, girls. My advice, do not read the text. It doesn't sound very natural, but do make some maybe notes that may help you to keep your speech more fluent, and or maybe practice speaking before you have to record, so that will make your speech more interesting instead of getting nervous and forgetting what did I have to say next. Okay, so can't wait till Friday and hear all your fun stories and ideas how English helps you in your everyday life.